here on the left, I have the ice cream sandwich, and on the right, I have the Jelly Bean 4.1 device. As you can see, the lock screens on the Jelly Bean, they added an extra option you can have at the bottom. An ice cream sandwich only had 4, in Jelly Bean you have 5. I added that weather widget there, but you can see Sprint put their name at the top above the time. But if we unlock both of these, you can see the screen's about the same. Nothing really much changed here. What did change is in the notification bar. They added a little time up here and then the date over there. And when you plug in your headphones, there used to be in an ice cream sandwich this little thing that comes up that says choose what you want to use to play your music with. They got rid of that in Jelly Bean, which is really nice because that got really annoying and really clogged up the notification screen. But yep, and they changed folders. So say if you wanted to create a folder in ice cream sandwich, it looked very ugly, but in Jelly Bean, Samsung decided to make it a little bit nicer. Let's just name it whatever, and then we add the stuff in, and it looks a little bit nicer than the old folders in ice cream sandwich. Again, it's just a small difference there. If we can see here in the menu screen, there's some differences. If you go into settings, there's a lot more options. As you can see here, ice cream sandwich has about maybe 3 scrolls, and this is Jelly Bean. So you get a lot more options. A lot of this stuff is just kind of broken down. They've added like your accounts. Something that was in it, I think it was in a different section in ice cream sandwich. But then they added just some extra like shortcuts, I guess, to make it easier on the people. But as you can see in the about device, this has Android 4.1 Jelly Bean, and this one has Android 4.0, which is ice cream sandwich. Once it pops up. Yep. Another difference I saw right off the bat was the app drawer. If you go in there, you notice that an ice cream sandwich, when you have an application, you have like app info and you can quickly uninstall. They don't have that anymore in Jelly Bean. They took that option away. So what you have to do kind of now, which I discovered this morning, is if you hit menu and you hit uninstall, it lets you like multi-uninstall applications, so you can do it in a batch instead of single. I'm not sure if you could do that. Well, I guess you could do that in ice cream sandwich too. So that's not really a feature. But the scrolling seems a lot smoother. Project Butter and Jelly Bean made the phone like really use the hardware. Like, it's very smooth. Apps seem to open a lot quicker on Jelly Bean, I have noticed, and I think that's about it. I don't really remember any other options. But yeah, and then if you want to update your Samsung Galaxy S3 and you haven't gotten the update, I know I didn't, and I had to go out and get it because Sprint hadn't pushed it out to me. What you got to do is you go into Application Manager and then go to All and search for Google Framework. Once you find that, it should be under G. Oh look, it popped up. Sprint just sent me the thing today, but this is in case you don't have it. Just go to Google Services Framework, open that up, and hit Clear Data, hit OK, then hit Disable, and then hit Enable. Now you can go back and go into your system update and do, I think it was update Samsung software, and have it check again. You see how it went back to 1969? So just have it check. Okay, I remember now what I did. But you go back into the settings, application manager, all, and then you're gonna go and search for Google's framework services. Should be, yeah, right there. What I forgot to do last time was you have to clear data, and you have to force stop, and then disable. Okay, once it's that, you do that, you do enable it back, you can hit back again, and you can go down to system update Samsung software, and you should see it went back to 69. When you check now, it should pop up Android system update, and it's downloading right now, and pretty soon we'll be able to enjoy Jelly Bean on this device too.